All right, we're here unboxing the February 2018 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Holy moly, look at that. That is a huge squeeze tube of acrylic paint. It's a neat top so you can really just whoosh right all over everything. Well, don't do it all over everything, but yeah, you can. That's hey, artists, we don't follow rules. And we have a cool eraser, retractable eraser here. Sweet. What else do we have in here? Of course, we have our fantastic Smile Create Repeat pencil, so you know where you got all these great supplies. Smile Create Repeat sticker, Smile Create Repeat postcard. There's a theme, a lot of Smile Create Repeat. Smile Create Repeat. It's because I said repeat, that was the joke. And this is a subscriber's artwork on a postcard. So if you do something great, send it on in and we'll try to get it on a postcard. And we have some thick paper here. This is nice. This is B paper, super deluxe sketch paper. And there's a few sheets, and we tried to put we put it big in here and rolled it up. So if you want to do a big piece, art piece, you can. Or you can of course cut it down smaller to do lots of little ones if you want to. But we wanted to give you the option on this because this big tube, this big squeeze thing of paint might be more fun to spray or smear or all that on a bigger piece of paper. Here's our creative card talking about all the great supplies in here. And here's a little lesson or demonstration, inspiration for you to give it a try if you want. And of course you can watch our video on YouTube. That's a great thing about Smile Create Repeat. We use all these tools showing you exactly what can be done with them and how to use them. So we hope you check that out and let us know what you think. And we still have this little gift pack here. Hand-tied, hand-cut paper, just for you guys, so we can make sure we get the best stuff and the most stuff in these for you. And you have brown paper to use if you want to. So you have this marker, chart pack marker, big fat tip there, cool. You have a gray color pencil, cool. This is kind of a lot like a mixed media box. And then your Kimberly pencil. So I'll throw that string out of the way for the final shot. Let's get that under there. So there you go. That is the February 2018 surprise from Smile Create Repeat. Hope you love it. Let us know what you think and show us some art that you make. Can't wait to see it.